Hi everyone! Welcome back to Hi English Channel. I'm Emily, and today we're diving into something very real and practical.
And I'm Paul. Think about this. You're feeling unwell. Maybe you have a fever or pain, and you need to go to the hospital. Suddenly, English becomes very important.
Exactly. Hospitals can feel stressful, even in your own language. But when it's English, every word matters. So today we'll learn how to talk at the hospital.
Stay with us until the end. We'll share real conversations, simple phrases, and powerful tips to help you feel confident when you need medical help. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing family.
Let's set the scene. It's a rainy night, and the sound of raindrops mixes with the hum of traffic. You walk into a bright hospital lobby. The smell of disinfectant is sharp in the air.
Your heart is beating a little faster, not just from the pain, but from the nerves. The receptionist looks at you, ready to ask the first question. What do you say?
Let's start from the very beginning, checking in at the reception. The most common phrase is, "I need to see a doctor." Simple, clear, direct.
Right. You can also say, I don't feel well, or I have an appointment. Listen carefully. I need to see a doctor. Let's repeat it together.
I need to see a doctor. Say it with us. Your turn now.
Great job. And remember, you don't need perfect grammar when you're sick. The important thing is being understood. Done is better than perfect.
Sometimes the receptionist will ask, "What's wrong?" or "What seems to be the problem?" This can feel scary, but you can use short answers.
For example, I have chest pain. I feel dizzy. I have a fever. These short phrases are enough to help the staff understand.
Let's try a mini dialogue. I'll be the receptionist. Paul, you'll be the patient.
All right.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I need to see a doctor.
What's the problem?
I feel very dizzy.
Perfect. That's clear, simple, and natural.
Let's give our listeners a chance to practice. Everyone, repeat after me. I feel dizzy.
Now try, I have chest pain.
And one more. I don't feel well.
Beautiful. You're already sounding more confident.
Now, let's move to the waiting area. You're sitting under bright white lights. You hear coughing, the sound of footsteps, and the distant beeping of a machine. Suddenly, the nurse calls your name.
When you enter the doctor's office, the doctor might ask, "What brings you here today?" Or, "How are you feeling?"
You can answer simply, I have a headache. I can't sleep. I feel weak. Keep it short. You don't need a long story.
Let's practice. Say, I have a headache.
Try, I feel weak.
And one more, I can't sleep.
Very good. Remember, repeating these aloud is important. Speaking builds memory. Motivation comes after action.
Sometimes the doctor will ask, "How long have you had this problem?" A good answer is, "Since yesterday," or "For 3 days."
Example, I've had a fever since Monday. Let's practice. Repeat, since yesterday.
Good. Now repeat, "For 3 days."
Clear and natural. You see, English at the hospital doesn't need to be complicated. Just a few key phrases can make you safe and understood.
Let's add some vocabulary spotlight with Charlotte. 5 useful words you'll hear at the hospital. First is appointment, meaning a set time to see the doctor. Synonym is meeting. Example, I have an appointment at 10 a.m.
Second, prescription. It means paper or note from the doctor for medicine. Synonym is doctor's order. Example, I need to fill this prescription at the pharmacy.
Third, nurse. A nurse is someone who helps the doctor and takes care of patients. Synonym is caregiver. Example, the nurse checked my blood pressure.
Fourth, pain. It means strong physical discomfort. Synonym is ache. Example, I have pain in my back.
And fifth, emergency. It means urgent situation needing quick help. Synonym is crisis. Example, call the hospital. It's an emergency.
These 5 words are powerful. Appointment, prescription, nurse, pain, emergency. Let's repeat them together one more time.
Appointment,
Prescription,
nurse,
pain.
emergency.
Great. You're building a small toolkit of words that can make a big difference.
Now let's act out a longer scene. Paul, you'll be the doctor. I'll be the patient.
Okay?
Hello, doctor. Now let's move to another important part, describing pain. Doctors often ask, where does it hurt? Or, can you show me the pain?
You can answer, my stomach hurts. I have pain in my chest. My back hurts. The sentence pattern is simple. My blank hurts.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. My stomach hurts.
Now say, my chest hurts.
And one more. My back hurts.
Excellent. See how short and useful these are? With just this pattern, you can describe many problems.
Sometimes you need to explain how strong the pain is. The doctor may ask, how bad is it from 1 to 10?
A natural answer could be, it's a 7. Or, it's very strong. Or, it's not too bad.
Example, it's a 10, very strong. Let's try it together. It's a 10.
Now, softer. It's not too bad.
Wonderful. This makes communication simple and clear, even if you're nervous.
And speaking of nerves, remember this. Even native speakers get nervous in hospitals. You're not alone. You are learning to express yourself in another language. That's already brave.
Let's imagine a scene. The doctor checks your heartbeat. You hear the soft thump, thump, thump of your heart through the stethoscope. The room is quiet. Then the doctor asks, are you taking any medicine?
You can answer, yes, I'm taking antibiotics. Or, no, I'm not taking any medicine. Short, clear answers are enough.
Everyone, let's practice. Say, I'm taking antibiotics.
Now say, I'm not taking any medicine.
Perfect.
Sometimes the doctor will give you instructions. Take this medicine twice a day. Or drink a lot of water. Or come back in 1 week.
Listen carefully and repeat to yourself. For example, take this medicine twice a day.
Let's practice aloud. Repeat. Take this medicine twice a day.
Now repeat, drink a lot of water.
And one more. Come back in 1 week.
Great. These instructions are simple, but they can make a big difference in your recovery.
Now, let's add vocabulary spotlight with Charlotte again. 5 more useful hospital phrases.
First, symptoms, meaning signs of illness. Synonym is signs. Example, my symptoms are fever and headache.
Second, blood pressure, the measure of how your blood moves in your body. Synonym is BP. Example, the nurse checked my blood pressure.
Third, allergy. A negative reaction to food or medicine. Synonym is sensitivity. Example, I have a peanut allergy.
Fourth, pharmacy, a place where you get medicine. Synonym is drugstore. Example, I need to go to the pharmacy.
Fifth, recovery. The process of getting better. Synonym is healing. Example, I'm in recovery after surgery.
Let's repeat them together. Symptoms,
Blood pressure.
allergy,
Pharmacy.
recovery.
Fantastic.
Now, let's move to a short story. Meet Jesse, a young man from Brazil. One day, he felt very weak while traveling in London. He was nervous, but he remembered a phrase, I need to see a doctor.
He said it at the reception, and that one sentence opened the door to help. Later, when the doctor asked, How long have you had this problem? Jesse answered, Since yesterday. That was enough to get the right treatment.
The lesson? Even a few phrases can protect your health and your life. Never underestimate the power of simple English.
Let's give our audience a moment of practice. Everyone, say aloud, I need to see a doctor.
Great. Now answer this. How long have you had this problem? Say your answer now.
Excellent. By saying it aloud, you're building memory. This is active learning.
And here's a mindset tip. Learning English is like recovery. It takes time, small steps, and patience. Every day you get stronger.
Let's bring in some idioms related to health. One is under the weather. It means feeling sick. Example, I'm feeling under the weather today.
Another is back on your feet. It means healthy again. Example, I was sick, but now I'm back on my feet.
Let's practice. Say, I'm under the weather.
Now say, I'm back on my feet.
Beautiful. Idioms make your English sound more natural and connected to culture.
Let's have a fun mini dialogue with idioms. Emily, you'll be the patient.
Sure. Hi, Paul. I'm feeling under the weather.
Oh no, I hope you get back on your feet soon.
See how natural that feels? Simple, friendly, real.
Now, let's add one more cultural note. In English-speaking hospitals, kindness matters. Saying please and thank you goes a long way. Example, thank you for your help.
Let's practice. Say, thank you for your help.
Perfect. Politeness is a universal medicine. It heals relationships and creates trust.
We've covered reception, talking with the doctor, describing pain, giving history, receiving instructions, and even cultural idioms. That's a full hospital journey.
Now, let's quickly review the most important phrases. Repeat after us. I need to see a doctor.
I don't feel well.
My stomach hurts.
I've had a fever since Monday.
Do you have any allergies?
Take this medicine twice a day.
Thank you for your help.
Beautiful. Even if you remember just one of these today, you're already better prepared for real life.
And remember, confidence doesn't come before practice, it comes after. Motivation comes after action. By speaking out loud today, you already acted.
Think about it. Your English is like your health. Small daily habits build strength. One phrase a day makes you stronger for life.
So, what about you? Which phrase will you use today? Leave it in the comments. We want to hear your choice.
And if this video helped you, please subscribe, share it with a friend, and stay until the end next time.
You're not just learning English, you're learning to communicate, to connect, to live with more confidence.
Picture this ending moment not as imagination, but as reality. The rain has stopped outside the hospital. You step into the cool night air. You're tired, but you're safe. You're understood.
And that's what English gives you, the ability to be understood anywhere in the world.
You're growing. You're learning. You're on your way.
This is Hi English Channel. Thank you for joining us today.
Remember, even small steps lead to big changes. See you in the next video.